create a channel in Slack. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a channel in Slack, a popular communication and collaboration tool. Channels are a great way to organize conversation and collaborate with specific group of people. Creating a channel in Slack is quick and easy, so follow with me till the very end. First, open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're on this page, you will see the section of channel at the very top. Over there, you will also see the option of add channel. Tap on that. And then tap on create channel. Next, you will be prompted to choose a name for your channel. This should be descriptive and indicate the purpose of the channel. You can also add a brief description to help others understand the purpose of the channel. Then click on Next. After choosing a name and purpose, you will need to set the privacy level for your channel. Slack offers two privacy options, public and private. Public channels are open to all members of your workspace, whereas private channels are invite only. After you do that, click on Create. Once you have created your channel, you can start adding members. You can either invite specific members by typing their name in the invite field or make the channel open for anyone in your workspace to join. Finally, you can customize your channel by adding a topic, choosing a color, and setting notification preferences. These customization options help you organize your channel and stay informed about important conversations. And there you have it. Creating a channel in Slack is quick and easy. Whether you are working on a project with your team or discussing a specific topic, channels help you stay organized and collaborate effectively. Hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Slack tutorials and tips. See you in my next video.